Location. If you are looking to stay close to the Beltway, this house is close to 90 going to Houston, or take quick U-turn and you're headed towards humble Atascocita Spring in the Woodlands. Clean and simple house with nice size backyard. Spacious downstairs floor plan with large living room and kitchen and dining area. Natural light from the windows fill these rooms. Going upstairs you come to a large landing space. This makes the upstairs feel big. The master is split from the other 2 bedrooms. And there is a game room with a wall looking to the downstairs. Master bedroom has large walk-in closet, master bath with lots of vanity space, a tub to soak in and an oversized shower big enough to share. The neighborhood is simple and affordable. It is well maintained and has a convenient park within walking